Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to hide WooCommerce products from public view. Let's get started. In order to make that possible, what we can do is we can just head over and select the product that we want to hide. For example, let's try to hide this product right here that we have. For example, is this product right here. Head over and click on this edit option in order to edit this particular product. Now, this will open the product editor of WordPress and you should be able to see this particular product. Now, in here, you can see this publish option and in here, you can see this visibility. As of right now, it's public. Now, what we can do in this case is to just head over and click on this edit just beside public right here and you can make this password protected or private. It depends on you. So if you want to hide this for private view or for public view, just click on this private. But if you want this particular product to still be accessed, you can choose in here this password protected if you want. Once you're done choosing if private or password protected, head over and click on this OK right here and click on this update option in order to update the settings that you have just changed. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because I'll reach more people. See you soon.